Alright guys, today I am not showing my face because I look a hot mess, but I made cabbage soup this morning, and I know some of you have been asking for food videos. It has sausage, cabbage, chickpeas, celery, tomatoes, bell peppers, onions, I think that's it, and then seasoning, of course, garlic, etc., kind of whatever. I'm going to walk you through how I made it. I am 11 months post-op. I am still down the same weight. I think I weigh 180 today. But my 1-year surgery anniversary is coming up on May 16th, but I did want to start posting more content about the food. I am aiming to get down to 175, hopefully by the end of May. So I am going back to foods that I was eating at the very beginning of my post-op. And I hope you enjoy this video. Oh yeah, babe. Today I'm going to be making cabbage soup. You guys ignore the sounds in the background, but I just chopped up some of the cabbage. I'm going to end up I'm going to put some little apple cider vinegar in it and sit it in water to clean it. And forget these are just my snacks. It's really good. I'm going to be adding Italian seasoned banana peppers. I'm going to be putting chickpeas in it, diced roasted garlic, tomatoes, and because I'm lazy, I will be using some frozen vegetables. I have chopped onions, chopped peppers, and then chopped seasoned blend, which is just onions and more peppers and celery and parsley. And that is how I make my soup. I add a little chicken broth, and I will be back. Alrighty, so I had the cabbage soaking in water and a little apple cider vinegar to clean it. And then I cut up some turkey sausage, and I'm going to saute that first. And then I'm going to add the vegetables. I'm going to saute the vegetables, and then I'm going to cook the cabbage and mix it all together. And we have a meal for this week. So I've just mixed I've fried the sausage, and then I added onions, celery, peppers, and I'm just gonna let that simmer down, and then I'll add the tomatoes once everything kind of thaws out. And then from there, I will cook the cabbage separately and then pour this in closer to when it's done. Then I'll add the chicken broth. So now I'm just adding chickpeas, and I'm gonna let those get kind of softened up. And of course you can season as you want to. Then I have tomatoes, sausage, bell peppers, onions, carrots. I think there's carrots in here, maybe not. But I added the chickpeas just for the extra protein. I'm not sure what chickpeas and cabbage taste like, but we will see. Okay, so I am making my cabbage. Joe, be quiet. I'm making my cabbage. What I do is I just add chicken broth, 1 can of chicken broth, put the cabbage in, let that simmer down, then I'll add those ingredients. And then you can season. I'm not, a real cook or anything, but I just put what tastes good to me. You can season it as you want to. And that's where we are. All right, so the cabbage is cooked down just a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the soup. Hold that for me. Are you looking how you're cooking? All right, get that mixed up, and it'll help the cabbage cook faster.
I can't see.
Alrighty, I've got that mixed up, and then I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 more minutes, and there's food for the week. The last thing I add is a little bit of these just because I like tangy, vinegary tasting things. Don't be afraid of a little vinegar.